In this video, I'm going to show you how to use EveryDollar budget app. Now, this should be a quick and easy process video. So, what is EveryDollar app? The EveryDollar app is a budget tracker that helps you stay on top of your spending. The mobile app designed by Ramsey Solutions. Its aim is zero-based budgeting to ensure that every dollar goes into a category. Now, how much does the EveryDollar app cost? There are two versions. The free version is available in the App Store, and the premium version is $17.99 a month or $7.99 a year. So it's cheaper to pay for a year. Now, how does EveryDollar work? There is a planned, this is the money you anticipate getting, and spent, this is where you track the money, and remaining, this bucket shows how much money is left over after spending. You can create your budget, and you also have the freedom to customize your budget by adding line items under each category. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.